Ah, brilliant. Oh, that was smart. Hello, fellow adventurers, Sushi here. Today we're at Bear Creek Preserve, where we're gonna find hopefully not one or two, but 4 waterfalls. Although it's a bit strange because the map, and we're up here, it shows waterfall 1 and 2 here, and then 3 and 4 there, but there's this like 1.5-mile detour around. I'm not entirely sure what that is about. Now this suggestion came from Jack on the Discord server. Jack is from Australia. Oh, thank you, Jack. I appreciate the suggestion. Hopefully I won't let you down. Now the best part about Jack's suggestion is there's this quaint little ice cream shop that's like a 1/4 mile from the park entrance, so we'll have a nice little treat when we're done. Let's get moving. I absolutely love to be out in the woods. Unfortunately, it's been raining and I haven't been able to share these adventures with you. But when Jack suggested this place to me, it really put a smile on my face because I haven't been here before. And waterfalls. Who doesn't love waterfalls? I mean, I certainly do. Now, when I was researching this place, I got a little bit confused because the map isn't detailed and it doesn't really give any descriptions, and it shows 2 waterfalls, and then the GPS app that I use shows 4 waterfalls. I'm not really sure. Either way, it's going to be absolutely spectacular. I love being in the woods and being able to share these with you. I can hear the stream off in the distance. It makes for a really good start considering like how flat the trail was. And then we had those fun log pavers to like hop across. And it looks like we're here. Wherever here is. And man, the sound of that trickling water is like music to my ears. Oh, look, a bench. And that looks like a peaceful spot for a sit. Sounds of tranquility. Nothing better to put your mind at ease. But we've got waterfalls to find. Let's get rolling. Well, I found waterfall number 1. It's about 10 feet tall or so. And what I love about these small little ones is you can really get up close and personal with them, allowing you to explore around and see the intricate details. So the second waterfall is supposed to be over there somewhere. GPS shows it's like 50 feet, but I'm not really seeing anything from up here. I'm not entirely sure how to get down, but I've got my trusty climbing sandals, so we can climb down without slipping. So, trying to find the second waterfall that the GPS shows. I wandered around a bit and I found this cute little thing. Is it a waterfall? Not really sure, but I shall name it George. Why? Because I said so. Now, according to the GPS, if you look, we are only about 200, maybe 300 feet away from the next waterfall. So I vote that we ignore the 2-mile detour and we just poke our way through the woods. Sounds like a good idea to me. Oh, shit. Yep. Well, this got dense pretty quick. I don't know if this is my smartest idea ever. Oh boy. The brush is too dense over here, but where you're at is, looks a little bit clearer that way, so I'm gonna skid over there somehow. Ah, brilliant. Oh, that was smart. Now this is much better. So here we are at the top of the waterfall, but I now know why there's a 2-mile detour. Yep. Maps exist for a reason. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on part 2 where I see if I can find my way down from here. I don't know. We'll see. Remember, life's an adventure. Keep on keeping on.